When it comes to your skin, the first thing to understand is that healthy skin begins from the inside out. It's not just about the products you use, but what you eat and how you take care of your body. Hydration, vitamins, and minerals all play a role in keeping your skin smooth and clear. That's where a nutritionist comes in. They can guide you on what foods work best for your skin type and also help with any issues like acne or dryness. Think of food as your skin's natural glow serum. Eating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and healthy fats can make your skin more radiant. Now let's talk about makeup. A makeup artist can enhance your features and help you bring out that natural beauty. But did you know that great makeup starts with great skin? It's much easier to apply makeup when your skin is healthy and hydrated. Plus, it lasts longer too. So remember, it's not just one thing that makes you look and feel your best. Your skin specialist helps treat and improve your skin. Your nutritionist ensures you're feeding your skin from the inside. And your makeup artist brings out the best in you. Together, they can help you achieve a beautiful, glowing look that lasts. Your skin, health, and beauty are all connected. And with the right guidance, you can achieve the glow you deserve. Dr. Mrs. Malik, your trusted skin specialist, nutritionist, and makeup artist, is here to guide you every step of the way. She'll be available right here on the Al-Noor channel to help you unlock the secrets to radiant skin, a healthy body, and stunning makeup looks. Stay tuned and remember, you deserve to glow.